back with another episode of Fun Run 2. Okay, I don't know how much I'm gonna do this time, but I might be good. Come on, don't judge. Okay. Oh, that noise, so loud. Okay. I'm so lucky. I worked for the wolf. I didn't got no money. No money. Dang it. Oh, that's loud. It's so loud. Oh, I killed him. Oh, I did. Oh, I thought I killed them. Speed. Oh no, why did I use it? I knew it. When I sound like no, knew it. Dang. Oh, good thing I was already dead. Dang, I got one too, boys. Oh, dang it. I'm in third place. No, don't kill me. I have one of those too. You wanna see me? Boy, you wanna see me? Look at me, boy. Look at me. What the fuck? Oh my god. Why did I not go? What the fuck? No! You're so lucky. Not that lucky. No, I'm not even fucking lucky. What the hell? So fucked up. I suck, man. I don't even want to play this game anymore. Wait. What kind of shoes should I get? Should I get shoes? Should I? Yeah, should I get a necklace? Not like that kind of, not like that gay ass. Need some shoes. What the hell are these? What are those? Where's those? Where's the? Oh, really? They cost 2,000? There used to be some black ones. Not being racist, but there used to be some black ones. What? They used to be cost hella cheap. Dang, hella. That's hella cheap now. That's real dumb. That's real dumb. I break this. Oh, that shit looks ugly. Ugh, nasty. I want this. No. Man, wait, what? So what? Okay, I ain't no fucking blood. That's stupid. Oh. This is good? No. I want this hat. Slow. Oh. Look. Oh, look, what is it? Dang. Look, I got blue eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek. Okay. I'm gonna get this shit. Just for decoration. I don't give a fuck. Nah. Should I get the shoes? Should I get the shoes? Or the glasses or the necklace? The necklace is this. And the glasses are these. No, not these. These. 3,000. Okay. Tell me in a subscription, what do you want to pick me? Pick something. But I'm gonna have to work for them. They cost 3,000, the glasses, the shoes, blue, God dang it, man. I'm first. Bet I'm gonna go last. Oh dang. Oh, first. Oh, first time for my LA sisters. No say how. Oh, I'm about to say I dodged that, but I didn't. Oh, wow, that's savage. Oh, went to first. Dang it. No, oh, wow. That's weird. I don't like that. Oh, no, nigga. I told you guys I would go last. Oh, yeah, I got pushed. Boy, don't even try. Oh, no. Bang. Boy. Yeah, I suck. I'm gonna bring out some rages. Damn, Daniel. What the fudge? What the hell? I suck. I used to be like in third or second every time. My god, I suck. Better off head dead. I'm not better. Okay, I'm not gonna join your clan. My god. What the fudge? 620 Emily. No. Hell no. I ain't doing that crap. Oh, look. What are these? What are these? No, I don't want to buy anything. What are these? 10 hours. Am I gonna get these or something? Am I gonna get them or not? Am I gonna get these? Am I gonna get these or some shit? What the fuck? Wait, I really want this. Nah, I don't. I want the wolf though. So I'd rather get these goggles. What the fuck? Yeah, I got some. Oh my god. Okay, the speed thingy. Can I change it? Oh wow, that's crap. That's, oh my god. Really? It cost this much? Oh my god. The bubble. Better not cost that much. Oh my god. Really? 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 The fudge. It's actually better because they did this. I don't think they had this before. It looked like, I think they had it, I don't know. Next reveal. Play 3 million 2v2 games. I don't know. Man, I can't play 2v2 games. Oh my god. Okay. If you liked the video, leave a like. And peace on the streets, sons. I'm just kidding. I ain't copying nobody. I'm just kidding. You guys seen, I call it, Prank versus Prank? Those are actually good people. So, go subscribe to them. They're good. Subscribe to me, please. And peace. Goodbye. Okay, goodbye for real. Peace now. Okay, bye. Peace and now I don't care. Bye. Peace.